in order to cancel a pick session, there's two different ways that you can do this, and this depends on where you are in the pick session. So go ahead and press start picking, and then I'm going to create a pick session just for us to cancel. You're likely already in the pick session here. This also has a very similar screen on mobile and the functions the same, but the layout might be slightly different. So if you go ahead and press this back left arrow up in next to multi-item batch, if you haven't started the pick session, it'll just send you right back and cancel the pick session, no problem. However, if you have began picking, so let me go ahead and pick something in the taupe round 1, and I'm going to go ahead and pick a couple, so I'm going to go back, and as you can see, when I click the back button, this brings up a prompt. So since I've already picked inventory and it's moved into the totes, you can see it's asking me if I want to put the inventory and that is in the totes back into the locations from which they came, or if I want to keep it in the totes. I'm going to go ahead and ask for the inventory to be moved back to the locations it originated from. So I'm going to click on this checkbox and press confirm, and the pick session is canceled.